Grow your online business with paid traffic. This content is provided by theodorehenderson.com. Please like and share this video. Subscribe and follow us to get notified of new releases. One of the fastest ways to grow your online business is to use paid traffic sources. The benefit of paid traffic is that it is easy to set up, usually, and you can receive new traffic very fast. Free traffic methods usually take a lot more time to generate visitors. There are a number of paid traffic sources that you can use, and we will take a look at the most common ones here. It goes without saying that you need to monitor your spend with paid traffic. You also need to check your conversion rates to see what ads are providing the best results and eliminate those that are ineffective. Search engine marketing or pay-per-click, PPC. The major search engines such as Google and Bing provide the opportunity for you to place ads on the first page of their search results. You can also extend your reach to content publishers who run these ads. In order to use PPC ads, you will need to perform keyword research for your online business. You have to identify the most common terms that people looking for what you have to offer will enter into the search box. Once you have a list of keywords that you want to run ads for, then you will need to arrange them in groups and make bids for the top positions. You will also need to write ads following the prescribed format. PPC ads are a very good way to get targeted traffic to your website. You can set daily budgets for your campaigns so that you do not overspend. It is also possible to run split test ads to see which ones perform the best. You will find that it is quite a bit cheaper to run PPC campaigns using Microsoft Ads than it is Google Ads. That is because the volume of searches on Bing and Yahoo are a lot less than they are on Google. Social media ads. All of the major social media platforms have ad services that you can use to promote your products and services. These are not based on search terms like PPC ads. What you can do with social media ads that you cannot do with PPC is define the audience that you want to see your ad. Knowing your target audience is very important. What age range are your target customers? Where do they live? What are their interests? What income levels do they have? These are just a few of the questions that will help you define your target audience. Facebook and Instagram have an insights program where you can specify all of these things. Other social platforms are following suit. You can boost your social media posts and increase your following with social media ads. Native ads. Native ads can be really effective as they blend in well with the rest of the content where they are displayed. Native ads can work really well for you if you sell products and services that have a wide appeal, such as weight loss and exercise products, make money products, etc. You need to add an enticing image with your native ad. The image is what gets the click. Once clicked, the visitor is taken to a landing page where they can be presented with an offer or enticed to join your email list. Visit www.theodorehenderson.com for complimentary resources and recommended business tools.